Leveler. Today I'll show how to hide apps on iPhone. To hide apps like camera or FaceTime from the home screen, just tap them. Tap Delete and Remove from home screen. To delete pages, tap this icon below, tap again, and remove unwanted pages. Next, to remove from the library, go to Settings, then Screen Time. Go to Content and Privacy Restrictions, Allowed Apps, and disable unwanted apps. To hide apps like Instagram or Telegram, go to Store, Web, Siri, and Game Center content. Here, select the age restriction for apps. Many messaging apps have age limits of 12 or 17. Here it's 17, yes. Instagram's limit is just under 12. Set it to 12 plus, wait 3-5 minutes, and non-compliant apps will disappear. See, Telegram's gone now. That's all. This was Lalesh. Like and subscribe to the channel. Have a good life, good luck, and goodbye everyone.